Well, finally is the day that I'm going to be installing some of the body parts that I've been painting on the tractor. In the vintage tractor restoration world, I've seen that for the most part, people restore the tractor the way they look when they were original. In my case, as you're going to see, I changed the color of the tractor, which for many people is considered a sin, but that's how I like to do things. I like to customize my motorcycles, my bicycles, and in this case, my tractor. I need to get a new copper washer in the drain plug. And these are the parts painted. All right, let's get the first part on. White, yes, white. So I'm also going to be installing new hardware. So yes, the tractor is going to be white, and let me show you the paint job that I did. So these are the letters Massey Ferguson, and what I did is I used like a Western style font and the barbed wire next to it with a silver background. So I think it came out really nice. And here on the other side is looking pretty good. I don't know how the paint and the clear coat they are going to hold against the exhaust, but yeah, this is how it looks. And all the graphics, they are painted. This is not a sticker, so I basically made a stencil with Inkscape software, download this font and a vector with the barbed wire, made the stencil and apply the color. First black, put the stencil, silver on top, mask it, and white on top, and then I remove all the stencils. So this is all paint, and I have 2 coats of clear coat. I think it looks pretty cool. This thing is looking just amazing. Amazing. And the paint job is not perfect. I'm gonna show you later the imperfections, because this is just like a rattle can paint job, but it got it done. The front rims I powder coated in black, satin black, once I removed the tires to replace them with new ones which were cracking. But in the rear ones, I'm not ready to change the tires yet, so I can take the hub out and get it powder coated. So I'm going to be doing a monkey shine paint job on the rims just so they match the front ones. And I paint them inside and out, which I think is going to be pretty cool. With the overall white scheme of the tractor, it looks pretty cool. Let's put the gas cap. This radiator has to go sooner than later. The air pretty cleaner rubber boot. Okay, next I'm gonna mount the air pretty cleaner. Well, hello. I'm afraid you need to get out of there. Not a good spot to build a home. It looks very nice. So in order to mount the fenders, I need to cut this piece a little bit more. I need to trim it like a few millimeters. So I got everything measured from home, but it's not fitting, so I'm gonna have to do on-site adjustment. I'm gonna remove the edges, the burrs. It's pretty nasty. Perfect. I am almost done with the fender, which is, it's been a real pain in the butt because there's so many holes that just to find out which one goes where, that's been difficult. And before starting the engine, I'm gonna change the oil because it has been sitting for a while, and I'm gonna replace also the crash washer, which is leaking. This oil has approximately 20 hours of work. It's 2 years old. It should be in pretty good shape. Not too bad. So here's the plug with the new washer. And because of this tractor was very neglected, I wanted to change the oil, at least the first one, pretty quickly, so any impurities in the engine should be flushed away. Now this one should last a lot longer. So before I mount the battery cover, I'm going to start the engine to see if everything is connected properly, and we'll see. This tractor has been stopped here for probably 2 years, year and a half. So let's see, Massey Ferguson power. Surprise me. Please surprise me. This is the Kubota key. All right, now with the right key. Let's see. Let's see, baby. If you start at the first crank. Boom, Massey Ferguson power. Unreal. Wow. What a beast. What a beast. And the last thing I'm going to do is just replace as much fluid from the steering column, because the tractor when I bought it was packed with grease instead of the fluid. You can see the color, mainly grease, even though I already flashed it once. And all that grease actually comes from the shirt that should be connected here. If you put too much grease, it goes down in there where there should be only transmission fluid. Not that it is critical whatsoever, but better if it has the right fluid. And this one actually doesn't require too much. It's just fill it until it is approximately 1 inch below the plug. And there is no oil spill that you cannot fix with brake cleaner. And the last part to be installed is the battery cover. Let's see. I really do have the feeling that I'm missing a lot of bolts, but I don't know how to put them back because the hole don't fit. Anyway, all new hardware, shiny nickel plated bolts. Well, this is it. Time to take her for a spin after, how long? A year and a half sitting here. Let's go, girl. Again? Are you kidding me? It's the Kubota key. Jesus Christ. Oof, this seat. This seat is just amazing. Oh, boy. All right, let's go. It's turning. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Look at the color of this beauty. Power steering working. Oh yeah. Massey Ferguson all day. Yeah, welcome on board. I know the steering wheel sucks. I need to change that. But other than that, the tractor is doing great. So yeah, I'm gonna drive it a little bit, maybe 20 minutes or so, to make sure that everything is working correctly. And if so, I'm gonna be putting the mower on this tractor and put it back to work. Needs some air in the tires, but it's good to go. No smoke whatsoever. Yeah, power steering working, everything is ready to go, baby. So I'm going through bumps right now, like big ones, and this seat is amazing. I'm loving it. Well, this is it, pretty much the end of the paint job on the Massey Ferguson. The next projects are going to be replacing the steering wheel, building a canopy, so I need to make some brackets and the canopy up here, and installing a complete new wiring harness. But until then, I'm going to be using the tractor, mowing around the property, making sure that everything is running fine. Thank you for watching.